My gosh, Becky, look at his airway. It's just so small. He looks like one of those sleep apnea guys. But who will even understand sleep apneas? They snore so loud, but act like they don't bother anyone, okay? I mean, his tongue is just so thick, like it's sitting there, blocking the airway. Ugh, gross. Listen, he's just so loud.
I like big air and I cannot lie. You other docs can't deny. When a patient walks in with a narrow little space and a crowded airway case, you get worried. Wanna jump right in cause you notice that airflow's thin. Deep in the night he's wheezing, he's blocked and it stops his breathing. Oh buddy, I want a quick fix that. Run test, yeah, check that. Your homie tried to warn ya. Snoring sounds awful horny. Ooh, you loud snore. You say you wanna sleep in the bed? Well, see me, hear me, cause you're so dang noisy. I've seen him breathing, you'll better start believing. He tosses, he turns, sounds like a turbo vet. I'm tired of magazines saying CPAPs are the thing. Take the average person and ask them that. Say it don't work, it's whack. So people, cause you're sleeping half the what? So treat it, treat that big ol' snore. Fella got air.